Roblox error 777 is a disconnected error, meaning your device can't maintain a stable connection with Roblox's servers. Think of it as a handshake failure. Roblox uses a mix of UDP and TCP protocols for gameplay, and error 777 signals that the connection attempt timed out or was rejected. You'll typically see a message like disconnected error code 777 when trying to join a game or load experiences. It's often triggered by client-side problems like device issues, network-side problems like ISP blocks, or even temporary Roblox server issues. While it can be frustrating, it's a common connectivity hiccup in this massive online world. It's an internal error code used by Roblox to pinpoint network-related disruptions, distinct from other errors like 403, access denied, or 5524, server overload. Fixing error 777 starts with basic connectivity checks. First, restart your device to clear any temporary glitches. Ensure Roblox is updated to the latest version to benefit from bug fixes and stability improvements. Check your internet speed and aim for at least 10 MB/s for smooth Roblox gameplay. For more advanced fixes, flush your DNS cache using ipconfig flush DNS on Windows to resolve connection issues. Temporarily disable VPNs or proxies that might interfere with Roblox connections. Switch to a wired internet connection for more stable connectivity. If problems persist, contact your ISP to ensure Roblox ports 80, 443, 5364-53644 aren't blocked. To minimize future occurrences, use a stable Wi-Fi network and avoid playing during peak hours. Roblox has an in-app diagnostic tool that can auto-detect and suggest fixes for error 777. Following these steps should resolve error 777 and help you get back to playing Roblox smoothly.